Welcome to my home lab. In this new video I'm going to install OpenMediaVault FileBrowser, the plugin. We start on the site OpenMediaVault. First you have to install OpenMediaVault. I have a video, you see the link in the upper right corner. The second thing, you have to install the extras, OpenMediaVault extras. You see here the information. Again, in the upper right corner, you found a link to my video. So we can open our OpenMediaVault dashboard. We go to System, Plugins. Here we have the search bar. We do FileBrowser. See it here? We have it already. OpenMediaVault FileBrowser 7.0.2-1. We select it and we click on Install. The arrow. You click on it, confirm, yes. Now it's gonna download. It's not so big package. It's gonna be quickly done. Only 1 minute. End of line. This means everything is okay. We can close that. Page is refreshing. Now if we go to Services, you see here we have FileBrowser. But before we can use it, I can click on it, but before you can use it, we need a shared folder. You see it here. So you do that, Storage, Shared Folders. Here you can create a shared folder. I have already one, Data. We're going to start with the data shared folder. So back to Services, FileBrowser. We enable it. See it here, enable. Click on it. For me, port 3607, it's okay. But if for one reason the port is already taken, you can change that. Certificate. I have one. I select it. Again, if you don't have a certificate, you go to Systems, you remove that, Certificates, SSL. Here you can create a certificate. We have already one, so for me that's okay. Again, the Services, FileBrowser, enable it, Certificate, and select a shared folder. I've seen that in the previous window. I have many, but I use the data shared folder. Select it and save it. Okay, updated, you see it here, and we have to confirm it. Click Apply. Yes. It's only take a minute. Please wait. And voila. The FileBrowser is ready to use. Now we can open our FileBrowser. Click on Open UI. You see we open a new tab with the IP address from our OpenMediaVault server and port 3607. We have username, it's admin. The password is standard, also admin, but I can use it already. I have a new password. Log in. Et voila, we are inside. We have my files. You see, it's empty. The directory is empty. We can create new folder and new file. But first, we go to the settings. Here we have some settings, and here we have to change the password. So if you do that the first time, the standard password is admin, you have to change it here. Your new password and confirm the password and update. You have some things, nothing here. Global settings, see here, permissions, language, user management. Here you can add users, create new user, but for now we do it with admin. It's an admin user, and you can change the permissions and the rules. Cancel it, and we go back to my files. We have here also change how look, the download, the upload, info, and select multiple. So my files, I create a new folder, let's say test, create it, I have a new folder. You select it, new file, again test.txt. You can, the name is whatever you want. You create it, and voila, we have a new text file. First line, and last line. We save it. Okay, we have our first text file. We go back and you see it here. Now I open my terminal and do SSH to my OpenMediaVault server. You see it here, 192.168.129.8. Enter the password. Enter, and voila, we are inside. I go to the root directory, do an ls all, and you can see here we have our data directory. See it here. So we go inside it. We do ls all again, and you see our created directory. We go inside the directory, do ls all again, and voila, we have our text file, test.txt. Look at it. Enter, and voila, we have first line and last line. See it here. I remove. We open it, and in the middle I do line. Okay, we save it. It's saved. I come back with my terminal, repeat cat test.txt, and voila, we have our line. First line, line, and last line. See it here. We can remove the terminal. We go back to our files and select it. Select our text file, and we have our first button, share. So we can click on it. Here we can tell how long we want it to share. Hours, for example, 1 hour. You can select minutes, but you can say 10 days. We have a password, we can do that. I do password, only for testing, and share. Okay, now we have a link. See it here. and the link is 10 days available. So the first copy to clipboard, click on it. See, the link is copied. I open a new tab and paste the link in. So it's my IP address from the server 43607, share and a random character. Click on it. Password, because we have the password. Submit. And voila, you have the information. We have the name, last modified, the size, and we have here open file. We click on it, and voila. First line, last line. So you can share files or directories with other people. If you want the shares to be accessible from outside, you cannot do it with a local IP address, but then you need a domain name. Oh, we close that. Close that also. We go back to our file browser and we can remove or delete the share. We delete it. We have no more shares and cancel. And voila. We can log out, close it, and are back to our OpenMediaVault. If for one reason you want a different directory, you select it. You do, in my case, Docker data. Click on it. Save it. Let's take a minute. We confirm it. Okay. Yes. It's only take a minute. Please wait. Let's have to write the configuration. And we're going to have to look at our new directory. Et voilà, everything is ready. Again, open UI, file browser, so admin and the password. Voilà, you see we have our new directory with our Docker files. Nextcloud, Nginx, Pi-hole and Portainer. You can open it, example Pi-hole, the directory from Pi-hole, and you have all the directories from our Pi-hole Docker compose file. Close that again, and we go back to our original directory, save it, pending. Yes, it's only take a minute, please wait. You have to write the configurations. And voila, we are back with our original data directory. We are at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up and or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.